Hello, my name is Carmen Costa. I am the leader in the provincial school Esani in Roswell, Georgia. And today I'm going to share with you one quick, easy way to create volume Victoria's Secret hair, okay? So I did my sectioning after I applied the Invisible Wear Wig. I am a little bit of the super skinny serum in this area that I know my client's hair. So I'm going to do the round brush technique, and then I'm going to start at the front because I want to create the volume. She came to me with a ponytail, and I want to send her home with a bouncy, curved hair, okay? By round brush and some clips that I'm going to show you the technique. When I start, I just want you to notice that I am wearing gloves, and my clients and myself, we are wearing masks to protect us from each other, okay? Check. I started the front of the hair because she came with a ponytail, so this hair was very tight back, and now I want to make the fullness here. Also, I did a zigzag part because her density is not a lot, and if we do a straight part, it's gonna create a division after we finish with the blow dry. Okay, zigzag bar. We are in the last section here. I'm going to over direct with the round brush upwards. I'm going to go back and forward so I can create the volume on base. And then I'm going to continue from base, mid-length, ends. I'm going to lock it in, I'm going to cool off, and then I'm going to do the pin curls. Cool? Let's see later. I'm taking the clips off on her hair, one by one. And you're gonna shake it out. You see? So I'm using a little bit of super skinny serum because the weather is changing so much. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Wapui moisture mix because she has some fly away, and either the timing spray or this one is good, a little bit. I don't know how it's going to react with the glove on, but I'm going to try. Yes, it's working. your friend. I love how they smell and so clean. So I just go in the way that the hair grows and lie down and create some more volume. Can you please shake your hair for me? There. And this is the finale. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Check. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Check.